Have you ever wondered, where do banks actually come from? Who invented the banking system? And how did we go from storing gold in temples to transferring money across the world with just a smartphone? The modern banking system wasn't created overnight. It took thousands of years of innovation, trade, trust, and finance to become what it is today. This is the incredible story of modern banking. Our story begins more than 5,000 years ago in ancient Mesopotamia. At that time, there were no banks as we know them today. Instead, temples served as the safest places to store valuable goods. People deposited grain, silver, and other precious items, trusting priests to protect their wealth. These temples became the world's first secure financial institutions. As civilizations grew, trade expanded across continents. In ancient Greece and ancient Rome, professional money changers and lenders began offering financial services. Merchants could exchange currencies, deposit money, borrow funds, and finance long-distance trade. For the first time, banking became a profession instead of a religious duty. The word bank itself has an interesting origin. It comes from the Italian word banco, meaning bench. During the Middle Ages, Italian merchants conducted financial transactions while sitting on wooden benches in busy marketplaces. Over time, these simple benches became the symbol of banking itself. By the 14th and 15th centuries, cities like Florence and Venice had become major centers of international trade. As merchants grew wealthier, they needed safer and more efficient ways to manage their money. This demand gave birth to modern banking. One family became especially famous: the Medici family. Their bank introduced many practices that are still used today, including bookkeeping, national money transfers, business loans, and letters of credit. The Medici Bank became one of the most powerful financial institutions in Europe and helped shape the future of banking. A major milestone came in 1694 with the creation of the Bank of England. Unlike ordinary banks, it served as a central bank. Its responsibilities included supporting the government, managing the nation's currency, and helping maintain financial stability. This model inspired many countries to establish their own central banks. Today, nearly every major economy has one. As technology advanced, banking evolved rapidly. Paper checks made payments easier. Savings accounts encouraged people to store money securely. Credit and debit cards transformed everyday shopping. Then came ATMs, allowing customers to access cash anytime. Finally, the internet changed everything. Online banking and mobile banking gave people access to their finances 24 hours a day, from almost anywhere in the world. But one of the most important ideas behind modern banking is something called fractional reserve banking. Here's how it works.
When you deposit money into a bank, the bank does not simply lock all of it inside a vault. Instead, it keeps a portion as reserves and lends the rest to individuals and businesses. These loans help people buy homes, start companies, and invest in the economy. This system plays a major role in economic growth. However, it also requires careful regulation to ensure banks remain stable and able to meet customer withdrawals. International banking has also become faster than ever before. Today, banks around the world communicate through the SWIFT network. SWIFT does not actually move money. Instead, it securely sends standardized financial messages between banks, allowing international transfers to be processed efficiently. This global system connects thousands of financial institutions across the world. Modern banking continues to evolve. Today, we have digital wallets, contactless payments, QR code transactions, artificial intelligence for fraud detection, and even discussions about central bank digital currencies. Many people rarely carry cash anymore. Instead, they pay with a smartphone or smartwatch in just a few seconds. It's amazing to think how far banking has come. Thousands of years ago, wealth was stored inside ancient temples. Today, billions of dollars move across continents every single second through secure digital networks. The modern banking system has become one of the foundations of the global economy, making international trade, business, investment, and everyday life possible. The next time you check your bank balance on your phone or tap your card to make a payment, remember, you're using a financial system that has been evolving for over 5,000 years. From ancient temples and wooden benches to smartphones and digital banking, it's one of humanity's greatest economic achievements.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos about world history, economics, finance, geopolitics, and the hidden forces that shape our world.